I'm sitting up here trying to catch the sound of this gurgling in my gut. It is really starting to irritate me. I don't know if it's my bowels trying to move through my intestines or if it's gas air bubbles that keep gurgling like this. I don't know what it is, guys, but I am trying to catch it on video and it just feels so yucky. I thought I was doing okay with the immunition digestive cleanse, but it's like it just took a halt, like it just stopped. I can hear that. I probably couldn't hear it, but this is feeling yucky. I don't know what else to do, guys. I really don't know what else to do. Oh, y'all hear that? Oh my gosh. It just feels so nasty. It makes me kind of feel nauseous. But I've been chewing on some ginger chews. I was chewing on some ginger chews, and hopefully it's probably breaking up whatever gas that is, or if it's gas. But guys, I tell you, ugh, I'm hoping that this picking up on video. That sound, I mean. This is just crazy. Sometimes I go through it all night long. And I used the bathroom twice earlier. But I don't get it. I know the top of my stomach, when I'm done eating or when I'm drinking some water, top of my stomach just blow up. The bottom part be the same size it always has been. But the top part, it just blows up like a balloon. And then it just start hurting and it start cramping. I'm like, oh, I hope this is not gasparesis, where my muscles are not contracting enough to get the flow going. And I hope that it's not a blockage somewhere. Because, Lord have mercy, yet I'm going to have to deal with it. Ugh. I hope this is picking this up. I really do. This is getting on my nerves. This is getting on my nerves. It's just an uneasy feeling. But I don't know. I think it's preparing for another run to the bathroom, I guess. But if that's the case, I wish it come on and this time do what I hope that it would do. Start making its way to flush me out, and I will be done. I'm on day 15. Yeah. I mean, I got 15 more days to go. Wow. I do not want to take another digestive cleanse, colon cleanse, or no other cleanse. I just want this to be over with once and for all. Fine one day, back to square one the next. It's nerve-wracking.